So today I'm going to present you a daytime natural look from Revlon makeup. Just to tell you a few words about our makeup. It's all minerals. It's a natural product that has, which means that you will find it very difficult to blend. So start from the root of the hair, going downwards. So that, can you turn a little like this? Thank you. So the direction should be from the beginning of the ear to the end of the mouth and not to the center of the eye. So this part here should be the area of contour, no further down. If you go a little bit further down, it will give you more masculine effect, which is not desirable, especially for daytime. At nighttime, we have to go out and one go automatically. Yeah, yes, it's fine. So I start here, going down, light featherweight movements. From the other side as well, from the beginning of the ear towards the mouth, up to 1/3 of the eye. And with a bigger brush, if we want to bronze a bit, we can make the threes, as I say. So you can take a fluffy brush with a little bit of product and go all the way down the face, making threes. This will contour your forehead, your cheekbones, and your jawline at once. You can dust lightly on the sides of your nose.